Okay. Hi guys. This is Khan from Nimberwork. So today's topic is to decipher the contextual similarity and how we have implemented contextual similarity in kAIron platform. Before I jump to kAIron platform, what I will do, I will share my screen and basically explain that how the textual contextual similarity is being identified. Okay, to understand the basic core concept to move forward with that. So let me share my screen. Yeah. So as I said before, I jump to kAIron platform. Let's understand that how the similarity of text is being identified. So first, to get the text similarity, it's very important that we get the embedding of those text. And OpenAI provides such models and APIs to access where the text embeddings do have the semantic meaning. Okay, so it's very important that we use such models and such API which access to these models, which provides the embedding, having the semantic layer embedded with that. So here, if you just see, every text have a various embeddings of it. Okay, and we also call it as a vectors. Now, just to give you a brief, okay, it depends on the use case, which model you should be referring to. For example, if you just see the first one, we have a text similarity, which have various variety like Ada, Babbage, Curie, and Da Vinci. This is basically provides the embedding, which is very much useful to get the you can say clustering of text, or you can say regression of text. Then you can say anomaly detections. Okay, so if you have a use case where you want to figure out the textual similarity, or clustering of various group of text, okay, or group of textual meaning, then we should go with the first kind of option. Second, where you want to stick to about the document search, or if you want to search a text over a large scale document, then you should go stick to the text search. Then we have in that you have various variety of Ada, Babbage, Curie, and Da Vinci, and these embeddings are purely for textual search. Now, just to give you a basic understanding how the textual similarity is being identified, so we have this something called dot product of this text embedding. It's also called as cosine similarity. Apart from this, we do have various other mechanism to get the similarity of text. Okay, now giving a background, okay, how to get the embedding, what's the importance of embedding, what's the basic way of getting the similarity of text. Okay, I'll now jump to kAIron platform. We'll explain how these basic concept of, or the philosophy of textual similarity and getting the answer over the textual similarity is being achieved. Now, this is the platform. Okay, this is one bot which I have built. This is one bot which I have built. Uh, Now, if I go to prompt management and wait a sec, let me just resize it. So, what I have done, I have uploaded some healthcare vaccination data over this bot. Okay, and once you upload this data so you can assume it as a FAQ, or let's say supporting data for the vaccination of kids. Okay, and once you train, these embeddings are being created through OpenAI, and these are being stored over database who supports this embedding storage. You can also call them as vector databases, and which also helps you to figure out the similarity between the textual between the text. Now, once this data is being uploaded and bot is being trained, if I start interacting with it, okay, and if I say should children get vaccinated, so here what it does, that it goes to the our backend system, okay, and figure the similar text which I've uploaded in the prompt management and get the relevant answer. Now, if you just see this answer is being very much fine tuned in terms of user understanding. Okay, just give you a brief how this is being achieved. So we have this component called a prompt action, where we can define that what is the system context. Okay, that the bot will play the what role in terms of responding to the user query. What is the similarity context? In terms of similarity context, we can provide these instructions that you want to be answer to be short, and it should also respond to ask a query whether the user is happy with the response or not. And this instructions can be it can be expanded into various formats. Okay, if I scroll down, you can see we have given the top results. So when the user hit the query on this vector database, we can define a number of records we should fetch from. Okay, what is the similarity threshold? So this is about what percentage the question is relevant to the content which we have uploaded. Okay, so so this is a basic prompt action, or you can say a mode through which you can prompt engineer over the responses you are getting from the vector databases. Now, just to explain how this question and answer got transformed, I will explain the logic of the logs. So if I just open this, so here you can say that we got the system prompt, okay, which defined that you are a medical assistant bot and please answer query with patience and kindness. Secondly, you can see that for the user query, it have got the set of content which it have able to fetch from the from the vector database on basis of similarity context. Okay, and it have appended the similarity context that provides short answer and ask whether the user is happy with the response or not. So now this whole content from the backend with the prompt. Now this prompt can be single or multiple prompt. You can prompt engineer the way you want to present the answer to the end user. Okay, this goes to the OpenAI completions, and then it's revert back with the answer. So, so now this overall response is being transferred to what response we have got over the chat. So this is the overall flow of how the similarity context works in Karan platform. Okay, what is similarity context? Okay, and with the very basic level, how we are able to achieve it within the Karan platform. And in this whole overall process, you are also able to understand that you can prompt engineer over the response the way you want to present to the end user. Thank you. I think I have explained what's to be addressed. Thanks for your time.